Hey friends, I am having some serious technical difficulties here. And so we are going to do this lesson a way that we haven't so far. It's just going to be me and our new text. And I can't wait to share it with you today. So we're starting some new lessons in Wit and Wisdom Module 4, The Continents, What Makes the World Fascinating. And for lessons 28 through 31, we're going to have the same focusing question, which is why might people want to visit North America? What does visit mean, friends? Visit means when you go somewhere for a short while, when you travel to a place. And we're going to be visiting North America over these next few lessons. And for our content framing question for today's lesson is what do I notice and wonder about introducing North America? And here is our text, friends, introducing North America. And what do you notice already about this text, friends? It's a lot bigger, isn't it? It's another informational text, but this time it's not by Rebecca Hirsch. This is by a different author. And I'm excited to read this text with you because do you know where we live? North America. And we live here in Maryland, in Baltimore City, and we still are at home, and we're going to get a chance to explore North America without, or visit North America without having to leave our homes. It's going to be an exciting journey for us. All right, let's get started. What does introduce? It says introducing North America. What does that mean? It means to present something new. So I'm thinking a lot of the information you're going to learn today about North America, about where you live, is going to be new. Let's check it out. This text is by Chris Oxlade. Whoa, friends. I already noticed that is a lot of table of contents. I think we're going to learn a lot about North America. Can you see? North America is one of the world's 7 continents. A continent is a huge area of land. North America is the 3rd largest continent. It stretches almost from the equator in the south to the Arctic in the north. And here is North America. North America is between the Atlantic Ocean in the east and the Pacific Ocean in the west. North America is connected to the continent of South America by a narrow strip of land. This area is called Central America. Famous places. Wow, did you know that we live in a continent with a lot of famous places? There are many amazing natural landmarks in North America. The Grand Canyon is in Arizona, in the United States, is 277 miles long. Niagara Falls and Yellowstone National Park are also popular places to visit. Whoa, look at that picture, friends. Let's read the caption to learn more. In some places, the Grand Canyon is 1 mile deep. Whoa! That would be a cool, famous place to visit. There are many famous buildings too. In Mexico, there are pyramids built about 500 years ago by people called the Aztecs. Modern buildings include the CN Tower in Toronto, Canada, and the Hoover Dam in the United States. I'm going to read the caption at the top. This is the Pyramid of the Niches in ancient city of El Tajín in Mexico. The largest mountain range in North America is the Rocky Mountains in the West. Look at those mountains. The Rockies stretch almost 3,100 miles from Mexico to Alaska. The Appalachian Mountains are on the east side of North America. And here's Mount McKinley in Alaska. It is the highest mountain in North America. Whoa. I'm learning a lot of amazing things about North America. I could see it would be a great place to visit if we already didn't live here. I'm already thinking about places that I'd like to go. How about you? There are deserts in the southwest of North America. They include the Mojave Desert. Let's see if I can get that right for you. In California and the Sonoran Desert in New Mexico. The Great Plains is a huge area of flat land in the center of North America. It is also called the prairie. And the caption says, this part of the Mojave Desert is called Death Valley because it is so hot and so dry. Whoa, whoops, Death Valley. There are 5 huge lakes along the border between the United States and Canada. They are called the Great Lakes. Lake Superior is one of the Great Lakes. It is the world's largest freshwater lake. Friends, I am noticing I'm hearing words like highest, largest, longest. Very interesting. This photograph shows Lake Superior in the winter. The Missouri is the longest river and again, more interesting words, the longest river in North America. In North America, it is 2,341 miles long. It flows across the center of the United States and into the Mississippi River. The St. Lawrence River connects the Great Lakes with the Atlantic Ocean. This is a paddle steamer taking tourists on a trip along the Mississippi. Weather. North America has many different types of weather. In the south, it is tropical. This means it is hot there and there is lots of rain. In the north, it is very cold year-round and there is lots of snow. Look at all that snow. In the far north of North America, there are times during the winter when it stays dark all day. I wonder what that is like, friends. Remember, we are noticing and wondering all the different facts about North America today. Hurricane Rita caused flooding in Louisiana in the United States. Whoa, all those houses are underwater, friend. That's sad. Extreme weather sometimes strikes North America. Hurricanes are giant storms. They bring powerful winds and heavy rains to Central America, the Caribbean, and the Southwest United States. Tornadoes also hit the United States. You're going to like this, friends. Animals. An amazing variety of animals live in North America. Polar bears live in the far north. Polar bears in North America. Wow! Polar bears live in the far north, and grizzly bears live in the forests and mountains farther south. Bison live on the plains. They are also known as buffalo. Here's a picture of a grizzly bear. This grizzly bear is living high in the Rocky Mountains. Whoa! Alligators live in lakes, rivers, and swamps in the southeast United States. Hundreds of different types of birds make their home in the rainforests of Central America. Jaguars live in rainforests too. And here is a caption for the picture. It says, alligators live in swamps called the Everglades in Florida. Plants. A giant plant grows in the deserts in the south of North America. It is the saguaro cactus. Here it is. It grows up to 49 feet. That's really tall, friends. It survives on very little water. These saguaro cactuses are growing in the desert in Arizona. These enormous trees are giant redwoods. Whoa! I noticed that that man is very tiny compared to that huge tree. There are vast conifer forests in the north of North America. Conifer trees stay green year-round. Giant redwood trees grow there too. They are the tallest trees in the world. They grow up to 367 feet. People. American Indians were the first people to live in North America. There are many groups of American Indians all over North America. People from all over Europe settled in North America too, including from Britain, France, and Spain. And here, Inuit people live in the far north of North America. Most people in the United States almost fell off my chair, friends. Most people in the United States speak English. Many people in Central America and Mexico speak Spanish, and many people in Canada speak French. American Indians often speak their own languages. And here people from many different groups live in New York City. Last two pages, friends. Sports and culture. Baseball, basketball, and ice hockey are popular sports in the United States and Canada. Football began in the United States. The Super Bowl is the biggest game of the year. And here, this crowd is enjoying a Cincinnati Reds baseball game. What baseball team do you follow here in Baltimore? Is it the Orioles? Hollywood is in Los Angeles, California. It is the center of the movie industry in the United States. Hundreds of movies are made there every year. Popular music in North America includes country music in the United States and reggae music in the islands of the Caribbean. This reggae band is playing on the island of Jamaica. We're going to stop here today, friends. Thank you for noticing and wondering in our new text introducing North America. I hope you learned some new things about the continent where we live. We're going to continue to learn more about North America, friends, and I hope you enjoyed the text. Now, what I'd like you to do is open up a piece of paper, a journal, something that you have, and I want you to use the sentence starter, I notice. Write a sentence. I notice what? What did you notice in the text today? Did you notice the huge trees or the longest river? Or was it another interesting fact that you learned from this informational text? Write it down in your journal and share it with somebody in your house because good writers share their writing. Don't forget to reread your writing too. Good writers are also good readers, and good readers are good writers. All right, friends, see you later. Bye.